Stop calling anyone on your Android phone until you turn this setting off. These hidden settings could be recording your calls, sharing your data, or draining your battery, and most people don't even know it's on. Let's get started. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste time. The first thing that we want to do is to click on the phone app. Let's locate the phone app. Okay, then let's locate the settings icon. Then the first thing that we want to do here is to check our very fast setting, and our very first setting in this case will be auto record calls. Make sure that this is turned off. I can never repeat this enough. Make sure that is turned off so you don't auto recall your calls and share with other apps. Very important. The next thing, just click on the arrow back button, then click on the home screen, then locate the settings app. Okay, now under the settings app, there's a place that I want you to go to. Make sure you follow every step here. Be very keen, okay? SIM and network settings. Now locate the SIM that you are using. Then there's a very important setting here. Just scroll down until you reach this place for Wi-Fi calling. Why am I interested in this place for Wi-Fi calling? It's very important. Now, Wi-Fi calling works like this. It can sometimes cause call drops, echoes, or even strange call behavior. Make sure that it is turned off. Okay, Wi-Fi calling must be turned off. Very important. Okay, that's very important. Make sure that you do exactly what I'm telling you. Okay, so those are some important settings that you must take into consideration. Okay, so thank you guys. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.